With VidCentric, you now have 5 amazing software apps to sell as your own, so you can start making money right away. VidCentric is loaded with everything you need to create a 6-figure software business quickly. But how would you like to make even more money without doing any additional hard work? Did you know that the easiest way to add an additional figure income stream is by adding a high-ticket upsell? And today, you have the opportunity to get your hands on resale rights to VidCentric, so you can sell VidCentric to others and keep all the profit for yourself. Everything's been done for you. You get the resale rights to VidCentric and the proven-to-convert sales pages. We also handle all the software updates and client support for you, so all you have to do is sit back and make profits. This is a completely turnkey way to add to your bottom line. Or you can offer this as a high-ticket standalone offer and sell it for $497 to $1,997 or more. This is a massive shortcut because you don't have to do any product research. VidCentric is already proven to sell. After all, you just bought it. You don't have to spend thousands on software development. You don't have to spend time and money handling bugs and software updates. You don't even have to create a sales page and hope it converts because our sales materials are already battle-tested and proven to get results. Just look at the massive profit potential you have when you get reseller rights to VidCentric. This makes a great upsell, but you can sell VidCentric anywhere you want, even if you don't currently have a list. Places like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, Pay.com, through affiliates, webinars, social media, paid ads, or ClickBank. As you can see, you have everything you need to add some serious money to your bottom line without any hard work required. Because this is so simple and turnkey, we could easily charge $1,997 or more for the VidCentric reseller upgrade. But you won't pay anywhere near that today. Right now, we have a special discount reserved for VidCentric customers only, so you can get access to this for a fraction of what it's worth. To lock in your discount, choose an option below right now, but don't wait around. These resale rights licenses will sell out fast, and once they sell out, which will happen really quickly, that's it. They are done. If you like the idea of having your own high-ticket standalone product or a killer upsell that you can use to make big profits while we do all the hard work for you, then you'll want to upgrade to VidCentric Reseller right now. Choose an option below now to get started right away.